So we have a huge box of Melissa and Doug toys. Super excited to open these up. Let's check it all out. Okay. Ugh. Ooh. Okay. Wow. Huge box. Now we ordered all this stuff. I don't really know what's in this particular box. So let's see. Okay. Could have used your help there. Okay. Wow. Okay. Lots and lots of things in here. Let's start with... Ooh. Okay. This is the Slice and Tossed Salad Kit. It is 52 pieces, geared for ages 3 and up. Perfect for a play kitchen, or even like to go along with a little chef set. Really fun. Okay. Oh, this is fun. This is the Take Along Kingdom set. Melissa and Doug has a few different of these Take Along kits. This is the first time I'm seeing the Kingdom set. It's 19 wooden pieces, recommended for ages 3 and up. Really excited to open that one. Okay. Next, we have the Deluxe Tool Belt set. It comes with 5 wooden tools, 8 building pieces, and an adjustable tool belt. Recommended for ages 3 and up. Very cute. Oh, nice. This is the food truck play tent. So a little spot for your kids to go in and do their make-believe cooking. Perfect to maybe to go along with the salad set. Really great. Okay, we have... Oh, fun! The Go Tots Townhouse Tumble. This is recommended for ages 12 months and up. It comes with, let's see, comes with some different little pieces. It looks like it's all made out of wood. Very nice. Melissa and Doug is great with their wooden toys. A lot of sustainable building materials. Okay. Oh, cool. This is a scientist costume set. Comes with some different little science tools, some goggles. Looks like a little notepad in the pocket. This sizing is for ages 5 to 8. Yeah, really cute. Okay. All right, next. Wooden cutting fruit set. So this is geared for ages 3 and up. Comes with a nice wooden box. A lot of different decent sized fruits too. I'm actually pleasantly surprised with that. Comes with some Velcro, so you stick the pieces together. Use a little knife that's included in the set and cut it in half. Really nice. Okay. All right, next we have the Safari Animal Rescue Truck. This is geared for ages 2 and up. It's kind of like a shape sorter in a sense. You get all different sorts of safari animals that fit into the truck. Very nice. All right, 2 more items. Oh, these are cute. This is pullback construction vehicles. So just some little soft cars geared for 9 months and up. And you get 4 of them. Very cute. All right, and last but not least. Oh, okay. This is the Sparkle and Shine Cleaning Place Set. This is one of 2 different types of cleaning sets that Melissa and Doug has. It comes with a broom, a spray bottle, 11 pieces, in fact. So your little ones can practice their cleaning skills. Very fun.